sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, let me see what we have here. All right, hi. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Today is your plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Van Heinrich is in Kerr County and will be out of county all next week. He's just asking for a little more time. Finish reviewing discovery, get the plea in.
So is this going to be disposition?
As far as I know.
All right. Then Norma, recall this for December 18th. That will be the final plea deadline date. The court will not extend any further. All right. Thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat and they'll bring it to you. You're welcome.
Thanks.
I'll be verified that's what it was.
Anyone else ready?
Joe, Murphy from H1, one down.
Joe Ramos.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let me see. Good morning. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, so we're actually set for jury trial. We're currently in a jury trial.
Okay, we don't have an agreement still. So.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. How long do you all think this will last?
4 days, 2 to 3 days, maybe.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you put this in February for jury trial, please?
February 3rd.
All right, February 3rd will be your jury trial date.
Okay.
Any questions? All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring it to you.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
No, not you.
All right, thank you.
Extensive.
All right, we're back on the record. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The state is proceeding on count possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, if for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Counsel, do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He must.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both.
Ms. Alatorre, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived in jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, waiving count 1. There's $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They were taken in consideration 2025 PF 07403. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge, but I forgot to go back to the prosecutor. She in 5 years. The agreement was for 5 years.
No, you can't agree to the length.
Oh, okay. I thought we had I thought it was in the file.
Yes, below.
Oh, okay. Very good.
So did you understand that to be the plea?
That's our agreement, Judge.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Officer States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
I've reviewed those documents with my client. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right. State defense. I endeavor to stay in my lane, but this is a possession 1 to 4 grams. And the weight of the drug, according to the lab report, is 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams. So if y'all still want to go forward with this defense, I will, but the range of punishment, the offense is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. They did the weight of the drug, and when they did the weight of the drug, it's 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams.
I noticed that as well, Judge, and I discussed that with my client. Considering what the original offense was, we thought that was a good middle ground.
Okay, I mean, if this is what you all want to do. All right, thank you. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing other than, as the court can see, this is his first offense, hopefully his last offense. He has no priors other than a couple of pending cases rising out of the same offense. A date in.
What are the pending cases arising out of this
I
offense?
think it's a UCW and a reckless driving.
And he doesn't have any other criminal history?
That's me.
If no one criminal history, the defense counsel said the reckless driving did step from this house taken into consideration, and then the ECW is gonna be filed in rent.
I just want to know. All right. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
Yes.
Doing what?
I work at AutoZone as a commercial driver, Your Honor.
Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have any children?
Your Honor.
All right, there's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. Do you live with anyone who has children?
No, I live with my grandmother, Your Honor.
Okay. No residing in households with minors?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, that's what I'm ordering. But thank you for letting me know. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. What's your dream job? Are you doing your dream job or?
My dream job is, I'm not currently doing my dream job. My dream job is what I'd like to say. I wanted to apply to be an electrician. I already had my electrical apprentice license. I just need to go and like do like hours. So I've worked under like master electrician for a couple hours, but I need to reapply for my electrician license.
All right, there'll be 120 hours community service restitution. If you obtain your trade school certification or whatever certification you need, be it to be an electrician or a welder or whatever it may be, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Otherwise, you're going to have to do the community service hours. There's going to be field visits one time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, we've got the record in this court to be successful. Communication is key. Do not disappear on probation. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back and address it with me. You understand? Now, as a side note, here's my question. The piercings on the cheek, does that hurt?
No, Your Honor. I mean, it's a pinch.
Oh, and do they go underneath the skin? I always wonder if you want it yourself, are you able to do that or no?
This one specifically it doesn't need a doctor to put in, so I can remove it by taking off the top, and it's a bar under my skin.
Oh, do you just unscrew it or?
Yeah.
Okay. I always have these questions. All right. Good luck to you. Just probation will go over conditions with you, then you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, we're back.
Apologize, I'm a little slow on this case. I'm covering for Edie that's out on paternity leave right now. So
Okay.
I first myself up on it.
Well, the first thing is we're supposed to figure out what the restitution is.
Judge, my client's decided she's not going to contest the amount.
Okay. And let me see. And when will she be able to pay this?
She'll have to pay it off during probation, Your Honor. She's already paid a substantial amount up front, so about $1,077 and
Yeah, it's almost 11,
almost 1,100.
1,100.
So when do you anticipate paying this $1,077?
No, that was already paid.
Your Honor, she's paid that already to to the Junior League of San Antonio. The remaining is at the bottom of that where it says to keep Berkshire Hathaway in the amount of $9,799.42 and then $227.71 to Visa. So that's the remaining.
All right, so how much are you going to pay monthly towards that?
Seems just I need to.
Well, now, here's the thing. I'm going to order you to pay specific amounts monthly. So you need to tell me how much you're able to pay
Pay $500.
per month. All right, is that what you think I want to hear? Or is that what you can do?
That's what I can,
Okay.
barring any changes in my life, that's what I can do.
Okay. All right. Court is calling. 2024 CR 011624 State versus Jan Madera. Can I have parties announce?
Andrea Crespo standing in for Chandler Bowen, Your Honor, ready to proceed.
Linda Corley for defense.
And you're Miss Madera.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based upon my calculations, you should be able to have this paid off before the 2 years. Do you understand? If you're paying $500 per month. All right, so we're here for sentencing today, and we were called back because there was a matter of restitution. Are both parties ready to proceed with the sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court will do. Your agreement was for deferred adjudication, so the court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. The court will show that restitution of $77.01 was previously paid to the Junior League of San Antonio. Remaining restitution is $9,799.42 to Berkshire Hathaway and $227.71 to Visa. Restitution is to be paid in the amount of $500 per month. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
Yes.
And what do you do?
I am self-employed. I do contract work, accounting work over online.
Does anyone have any issues with her doing accounting work? And is this accounting work that you're doing, is there any exchanging of money?
No.
All right. Then proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 80 hours of community service restitution, field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Yes, Judge. I need to know which count.
Oh, I'm so sorry. They proceeded on the lesser included offense of theft, $750 to $2,500.
Okay, Judge.
And they're proceeding as a Class A misdemeanor.
Then, as far as the restitution is concerned, can you please give me those names?
All right,
I have Berkshire Hathaway.
yes, Berkshire, Hathaway, Hathaway. And then the $227.71 to Visa.
You said Visa.
Yes.
Nothing else, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So in this court, to be successful, probation communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court, but you always do. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.